Sir, perhaps could we put it this way, that the conditioned inquiry
is part of the stream.
Is part of the stream.
That's the whole
But
point.
the free inquiry
is the beginning of...
He's getting away from the stream.
No. Forget, look, Narayan, leave the stream alone now, for God's sake. A is the manifestation of that stream. A suffering. A says, why am I suffering? Studies Buddhism, studies Hinduism, studies Christianity, and says, for God's sake, that's words out. I'm going to find out myself. And he begins to inquire. And he realizes he can only explore if he is free to look. Right? Free from fear, free from reward and punishment, free from any kind of motive. Otherwise, he can't inquire. The moment he is in that state of examination, there is insight. This is very clear.
and of course very difficult to do.
I won't even give, no, I won't accept the word difficult.
At first, because otherwise we wouldn't be inquiring.
No, because we are not given our energy to this.
Ah, yes.
We don't care. We put up with so many things. So, leave A alone. But B is part of the stream. And he suffers. He says, yes, that's my nature. That's human nature. There's no way out. No Jesus, nobody's going to save it. He says, well, I'll put up with it. So he's contributing, he's contributing to the stream.
So the stream becomes more intense.
Yes. Has more volume.
More drive also.
Of course, more volume is pressure of tremendous water. So, we come to the point, what is death?
Now I want to pose another question. Now A is out of the river.
No, sir.
No, inside.
A is not out of the river.
But he has seen inside.
He has insight.
Inside. So, if all
Wait, sir.
one humanity, the A is the humanity, then humanity has seen it.
No, sir. No, sir.
So he left humanity.
You are looking at it perhaps purely logically.
No, even logically. I don't...
No, what I mean is logically, but accepting the conditioned states.
Moment A is aware of his conditioned state and begins to inquire into it, he has got the energy to put aside.
So, may I just... Now the Buddha himself said, put aside with right wisdom. You remember that phrase of the Buddha?
What is that?
Put aside all shape and form, all sensation, all perceptions, all discriminative consciousness itself.
That's what I say.
Put it aside with right wisdom.
That is what I tell you.
Yes.
That is what I said, that he is making so complicated.
Who?
No,
Whereas
You're all making complicated. Mine is very simple. I won't have...
that is what I tell you. That is the statement. That is the idea.
Yes.
What I want to...
May I interrupt here? One doesn't... say one doesn't belong to any religion. One doesn't accept any authority. That is inquiry. If I accepted what Christ or X, Y, Z, there is no inquiry. So A rejects in his inquiry into sorrow everything what anybody had said. Will you do that? Because otherwise he's a second-hand human being, examining through second-hand eyeglasses.
Or you can hear somebody who has seen it.
Yes,
And
I hear what the Buddha has said.
yes, you can
What
hear it
anybody has said.
And you also can see independently as he has seen.
But yes, Buddha said sorrow is the beginning of whatever he said.
Yes.
All right. But what he said is not my meal.
Absolutely, that is so.
No.
That is what I am telling you. But you also can see the same thing as he has seen.
Yes.
And still you know what he has said also.
But what? So the printed word or the hearsay to a hungry man has no meaning.
That is so.
Then reading the menu doesn't feed me.
That is what I am telling you. It is not the menu, but the food.
The food is not cooked by anybody. I have to cook it, eat it.
That is not usually so.
Because I said the man who is examining the whole structure of sorrow.
I should say the other way, that you have to eat to get rid of hunger. Just because you have eaten, my hunger will not disappear.
No.
You have prepared the food. You have eaten and there is food. I also can eat it. And it is my food. Do you deny that?
No, of course not. Somebody, this afternoon, you ate lunch, somebody cooked it.
Yes.
And I ate it. We ate it.
Yes.
But we're not talking at food level. We
But-
are saying that as long as I accept any authority, it doesn't matter who it is, there is no insult.
It is not accepting authority. No.
I mean,
That is-
accepting descriptions, accepting conclusions, what Buddha said, what Krishna said, what A said, and all. To me, the freedom is from the no. Otherwise, I'm everlastingly living in the street. See, that's why, sir, either we discuss this factually and say, look, I will drop every authority I have. That means knowledge, tradition. Can we do that? Because that is inquiry. If I'm tethered to a tradition, I can't. I go around in circles. If I'm free of the post and the rope that ties me to the post. So, B accepts suffering. Right, sir? B accepts what he is.